Okay, so now it's all screwed in. Now all that we need to do is just get the range up here. And we're going to do it the same way we took it down, which is we supported it with a jack as we took it down. So we're going to try to help bring it up and support it on that jack because it's kind of a bit high for me and my dad. So we're going to do whatever we can to make it easy to install. But everything's already screwed in. We're just going to do it. We're not going to do it on camera because I need my dad to help me out here. Okay, so now we have it on top of here. We're going to loop the cable through. I'm going to wait to plug it in, just in case something happens during installation. But realistically, you could plug it in right now. But just for safety reasons, I'm going to wait. Now what we're going to do is place the jack under it, raise it up, and screw it in. Okay, so we were able to get the hood all the way up, but it looks like the place where we screwed in the screws based on the template is actually wrong. Because the way that the screws are right now, they're positioned where the big holes are, where you slot the screws into it, but you're supposed to slide the hood further back. And at the point where we have it slid all the way back, like it's contacting the wall, we can't slide it back any further, and it's on the big hole. Yeah, so it's a bit unfortunate. It would be nice if this was to sit flush exactly with the cabinets, but it's just shallow enough that if we did put it this way, there's about an inch gap from the back of the hood to the wall, which means the air is certainly not going to go outside. It's going to instead go back into the house. And it's probably better for this to actually redirect the air in, so we probably have to push it all the way back in. So it's either, do we care about function more or about the form? Okay, all right, we have it all installed. It was quite a fight, but we were able to get all the screws in. We had to re-drill some of the screws. The ones on the top we had to re-drill, but the ones in the back were actually fairly aligned pretty well. Where's the light? Yeah, like the holes for these were actually pretty spot on. You can see by the the plastic fastener, the wall anchor. You can see how accurate they were. Actually, I mean, that one was a bit misaligned. So you might have some trouble if you're trying to install this as well. But at least for the top ones, you can just re-drill the holes, so you know you're gonna get them right. So now that this is secured, we're going to lower the jack. Okay, and take it out, and I'll plug in the hood, and we'll see it in action. Wow. Okay. Doing really well. And the last step is to take the drill. Where is it? Okay. So we take the trap, make sure that this is facing towards us.